My name's Gary Clavette, previous owner of Ace Auto Body. Passed the business down to my son, Kevin Clavette, in 2020.
My name's Kevin Clavette. I'm the third generation owner of Ace Auto Body here in Hartford. I first met the Lombard family when I was around 16 years old. I think when my father was buying the second frame machine for the shop. Lombard family has been great to work with. They always back up their equipment. They always service it for us. Any questions that we ever have, they're always come out on the spot. Lombard and Ace Auto Body have been doing business for almost 40 years now, and we look forward to continuing purchasing equipment from Lombard in the future.